Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about physician assistant examination in UAE. We know in UAE there are mainly 4 licensing body. DHA to Dubai Health Authority to work in Dubai, DOH Department of Health to work in Abu Dhabi, MOHAP Ministry of Health and Prevention to work in Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain and Fujairah, and SHA Sharjah Health Authority to work in Sharjah. Before Sharjah Health Authority license authority was not issuing the license for all professional. Now in the Emirates of Sharjah, if you would like to work, you need Sharjah Health Authority license. So as per the place Emirates where you want to work, as per that you have to attend the examination. So we are going to discuss about the requirement for physician assistant examination in UAE. So in physician assistant, we need graduation certification from the physician assistant studies plus 4 years of experience. So here we need not 2, here we need 4 years of experience. Otherwise there are options that if you complete graduate from the program accredited through the Canadian Medical Association conjoint accreditation process or graduation from the Master Physician Assistant Diploma accredited by Netherlands and national certification or license as a physician assistant plus 4 years of experience also you are able to apply as a physician assistant. Option number 2, if you have completed a Masters of Physician Assistant Studies and the graduation should be a Bachelor of Science degree or Physician Assistant, and if you have completed accredited Physician Assistant training program and national certification of the national certification or license as a physician assistant plus 2 years of experience, you are able to attend the examination as a physician assistant. By simple way, if you are graduate, you need 4 years of experience. If you are master, you can attend with the 2 years of experience as a physician assistant. So any professional would like to attend the examination as a physician assistant, you can contact Foreign Plus. We will guide you how to attend the examination and we will do the documentation for you. My name is Shijo Thomas. I am a health licensing consultant from Foreign Plus Health Professional and Facility Registration Firm. Thank you so much for watching.